Okay, this is how I make my working table. You can see I use only metal to do it. I bought the metal and brought it to the workshop so that they can weld it for me. So I direct it. I direct it, but before I will start directing it, I have the example. You can see the beginning of the table. I have the example, and here is adjusted. If you wanted to push it down, push it down, you can push it down. If you wanted to push it up, you can see the pipe there. You can push it up. It depends on how you want it to be for you. And if you can see here, at the table there, we are going to put glass over there, and at the down here, at here, we are going to put the thick plywood over there. You can see down, I have two bar down over there, which we are going to use for the corners, which we are going to place the how do you call it, I'm going to place my power supplier DC and my blower, and I can put anything that, like, my tools that I'm going to use. I'm going to put them over there. And also this is where we are going to put the glass. You can see I'm going to use the glass, the thick one. So if, like, you want to do the same thing, you can see how it look. And this is the final results. This is the final results, but we didn't finish yet, because, like, I used spray. I used the painter to I also rented the painter to come to spray it for me. You can see now I use black spray, and I use shiny on it, so you can look shine. You can see this where I'm going to put my tools. And here is I'm going to put the plywood. You can see we use this metal to support the table, so it cannot shake. You can see this is where I'm going to put I will put plywood over here, I will put glass over here, plywood over the small place. This is the final results. You can see the leg. I'm going to show you everywhere step by step, and also in my next video I'm going to show you the full final results, how the table look finally. So this is how, like, I did it. So this is the final results. If you want to do the same thing, check the link below the description.